Hello dear students, today we will study about types of lattices in crystalline solids. Bravi's in 1848. Bravi's in 1848 introduced the concept of space lattice to describe the structure of crystalline materials. According to him, in two dimensions there are five types of standard lattices and 14 types of lattices in three dimensions. So in the present lecture we will study in detail the two-dimensional five type of lattices and three-dimensional 14 type of lattices in three dimensions. So in two dimensions the five type of Bravi's lattice are oblique lattice, square lattice, hexagonal, primitive rectangular and centered rectangular lattice. All these are two-dimensional. So there are five type of Bravi's lattice in all. First is oblique lattice. So in oblique lattice the primitive unit vectors are unequal in size and angle between them is not equal to 90 degree. So here this and this primitive unit vectors are not equal and this angle is not equal to 90 degree. So this is called oblique lattice. Next is square lattice. So here atom, molecule, ions in a crystal structure are present at the corners of a square. Both the primitive unit vectors are equal because the sides of square are equal and angle between them is 90 degree. Next is centered rectangular. In centered rectangular, atom, molecule, ions are at the corners of a rectangle as well as at the center of the rectangle. So this point is the center of the rectangle. Primitive unit vectors are unequal, but as it is a rectangle, so angle is of 90 degree. Next is primitive rectangular lattice. So this kind of Bravi's lattice is rectangular in nature. This is a rectangular shape. A and B both are not equal to each other, as in rectangle sides of a rectangle are not equal. Crystal sides, corners are occupied by atoms of the rectangle. Angle is of 90 degree. Hexagonal. In hexagonal this angle is 120 degree. Sides are not equal and atoms are present at the corners of the hexagonal shape. So there is one difference between oblique lattice and hexagonal lattice, that here angle is 120 degree and here angle is having any value. So these are five kinds of Bravi's lattice in two dimensions. Then we come to three dimensions. In three dimensions there are 7 crystal systems. And total of 14 Bravi's lattice. 14. The names of crystal systems are triclinic, monoclinic, cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, trigonal, hexagonal in nature. and these 7 systems, they consist of 14 type of Bravais lattice, and all these are enlisted in this table. So first is triclinic. In this system, the number of lattice are 1. Tetragonal is 1. Hexagonal is 1. Monoclinic lattices are 2. Tetragonal lattices are 2. Cubic lattices are 3. Orthorhombic lattices are 4. Triclinic. There is one Bravais lattice that is called simple. P for primitive. P is a symbol of simple primitive. And here repetitive unit vectors along the 3 axes are not equal. Angles are not equal, and none of them is equal to 90 degree. Diagrammatically, triclinic structure is represented by this figure. A, B, C are not equal to each other, none of the angles is 90 degree, and all the atoms are present at the corners of the triclinic structure. Next is rhombohedral. Trigonal or rhombohedral. This is one lattice. It is simple lattice represented with P. All the sides are equal. Repetitive vectors along all the 3 axes are equal. All the angles are equal. But none of them is equal to 90 degree. Represented by this. All the sides are equal. A, B, C are equal. All the angles are equal, but none of them is 90 degree. So this is trigonal structure. Next is hexagonal. It is also simple, represented with P, 1 in number. A and B. Repetitive vectors along x and y axis are equal, along the z axis is not equal to them. 2 angles are 90 degree, third angle is 120 degree. So this is hexagonal shape. 2 angles are equal, and third angle, this angle, gamma, this is 120 degree. This angle is 120 degree. A and B are equal, C is not equal. So this unit, it is repeated thrice, and we get a hexagonal shape in 3 dimensions. This is the unit cell that has been darkened with the green color. Next is monoclinic. They are 2. Simple, base centered. Simple, that all the atoms are present at the corners. In base centered, atom is present at the base, center of the base. All the 3 repetitive vectors along the 3 axes are not equal. 2 angles are 90 degree, third angle is not equal to 90 degree. So this is simple monoclinic with all the atoms at the corners. Base centered monoclinic, all the atoms at the corners and 2 atoms at the center of the base. This number 1, number 2. So these are 2 in number. Next is tetragonal. Tetragonal is again simple and body centered. Body centered is represented with the symbol I. 2 sides are equal, not equal to third side. All the 3 angles are 90 degree. 2 sides are equal, not equal to third. All the angles are 90 degree. So there is a little difference between cubic and tetragonal. All the angles 90 degree, here all the angles 90 degree, but here all the sides are not equal, here all the sides are equal. So very little difference between tetragonal and cubic structure. This is simple, all the atoms are present at the corners, represented with P, and in body centered, one atom is present at the center of the body. This is with I. Next is cubic structure. These are very common. Lattices, simple cubic, body centered, face centered. Simple cubic with symbol P, body centered with I, face centered with F. All the three sides equal, all the three angles are 90 degree. In simple cubic, all the atoms are present at the corners of the cube. Body centered, one additional atom is present at the center of the body. And in face centered, there are 6 faces of a cube and each face is having one atom at its center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 3 on left and right face, 2 and 6 on top and bottom face, 4 and 5 on front and back face. So this is face centered cubic. Last is orthorhombic. All the sides are of different value. All the three angles are 90 degree. They are 4 simple, base centered, body centered, face centered. In simple, all the atoms are present at the corners. In body center, all the atoms are present at the corners. And one atom is present at the center of the body. This is missing. We draw it like this. This is represented with I. In base centered, all the atoms are present at the corners. Two atoms at the center of the faces. One top face, one bottom face. All the atoms are present at the corners. And at each center of each face, 6 faces, 6 atoms. But here is again a little difference. In cubic structure, all the sides are equal. Here all the sides are not equal. Angles are of 90 degree. So these are 7 systems consisting of 14 Bravais lattices. And on the basis of this, we have 2 very simple numericals. Classify the following unit cells into proper systems. Here A is equal to 10.8 angstrom, B is equal to 9.47 angstrom, C is equal to 5.2 angstrom. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Alpha not equal to beta, not equal to gamma, and not equal to 90 degree. All 3 sides are not equal, all angles are not 90 degree. So this will be triclinic. So this will be triclinic structure. Yes, triclinic. Now come to second numerical. 2 sides are equal, not equal to third. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree. Gamma is equal to 120 degree. Gamma is 120 degree only in one structure. It is hexagonal. So answer for the second numerical will be hexagonal. So you can do similar kind of numericals from book as well. So this completes the present topic, study of lattices. Keep in touch. Thanks a lot.